Hello there, and welcome to a very special nature episode. I hope you're all doing well during this pandemic and that you are taking care of yourself and that you're being safe and responsible, because remember, your life is important and you matter. So today I'm running through some very special moments of nature from 2020, just to give us a bit more hope and a bit more strength and to remind us of what is on the way. So I really hope you enjoy, and as always, it's a pleasure filming for you. So, wasn't that lovely? From the bluebells of spring to the foxgloves of summer, and as always, gorgeous flowing water. So I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll be back in the spring with some drone footage, a new series. And for now, I just want to say to all my friends, my loved ones, my family, near and far, I miss you and I love you, and we will meet again, hopefully, in the spring. Namaste. Remember as well, when you're out in public, it's fine when no one's around. When you're around people, you must wear this. This virus has taken so much from us. The only thing left it can take is your life and your loved ones. So make sure you wear your mask, and please be responsible.